The internet is always full of surprises. It offers a wide variety of applications and websites that we can all enjoy. Some of these applications allow us to earn good money. In this video, I will tell you all about these free and legit money-making applications that you can use. When you utilize them properly, you can even make up to $2,600. Of course, this is not just from a single app. I'm talking about different apps that will give you a passive stream of income. You can start earning money from anywhere in the world. You just need to set up these apps and you will get paid over and over again. You will wake up in the morning knowing that you will receive a payment for the day without exerting a lot of effort. Aside from that, these apps are completely free. You can also cash out through various payment methods. So stay tuned until the end of this video to know more about these apps. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first application that we will use is called Surveytime.io. In this app, you just need to answer surveys. After that, you will earn $1 per survey that you will be able to complete. Again, just complete the survey from your favorite brands to earn money online. The site is really great because the surveys that they are offering are not time-consuming. The surveys will take less than a minute to accomplish. Now, start the signing up process using your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. You can also opt to sign up using your email account. After that, you just need to agree with the terms and conditions of the survey time. You will also see various payment methods on the site. Just choose one of them and provide the necessary information that they are asking. After that, you just need to click the Start Now button. Then, you will be redirected to another page where you are required to answer a few questions. Press this button to start answering the 31 questions that they have. These queries are often about your personal information, like your hobbies and interests. They are asking these questions to know the perfect survey that is applicable to you. This questionnaire can be answered in less than 5 minutes. And once you are done with it, you can proceed on answering surveys that they have a duration of 1 minute only. Of course, you will earn dollars for every survey that you will be able to complete. The next application that we are going to use is called Junkfill. To find it, just go to Google and type Junkfill on the search bar. As you can see, this site has a huge number of users amounting to nearly 8,000 people. It is an online tool that allows you to fill an online form with junk or custom data. Junkfill is a quick way to get your target page by autofilling or auto-populating all form elements on a web page with random custom data. Basically, Junkfill can populate text fields, fill out text boxes, select the appropriate radio buttons, tick boxes, and manage the drop-down lists. The next application is called Profit Product Creator. A lot of people are into this application because they can make $1,000 with the digital products that they are offering daily. There are people who are making commissions and sales by using Profit Product Creator. Profit Product Creator is a website application. You can create profitable digital products on this site in less than 60 seconds. As you can see, they also have user testimonies that can prove its legitimacy and effectiveness. One testimony comes from Cindy Trackford of the United States. She said that she was able to get her first product created within 2 minutes on this site. Aside from that, she was able to make her first profit within 4 hours. At the end of the day, she was able to make more than $911, which is a really great amount of profit for an online product. Aside from that, there is a high traffic demand on this application, which makes it really cool. Now, the next testimony is from Marshall Kane, a truck driver from Canada. He said that the first product he created from the application was able to make $580 in sales. Aside from that, he was able to build his list with more than 1,000 brand new fresh buyer leads. The application is really incredible and it is perfect for beginners. He said that his next task is to find some affiliates, which is not that bad. Digital products will really help you boost your income. You can achieve this too by creating your own amazing digital products in a span of a minute or less. The last application that we will talk about is called Bots. It is an application that will help you create automated profit sites. In this application, you can make at least $350 a day. You also do not need to worry about increasing the traffic of your generated site, as this application will provide you free traffic. Aside from that, it has an easy one-click monetization feature which will greatly help everyone make more money from this site. There are tons of bloggers outside. A lot of them get paid a huge amount of money for creating blogs about various topics. A lifestyle blog can make up to $41,000 a month. Meanwhile, blogs about parenting can generate up to $86,000 a month. There are different categories and niches that you can surely explore to create the perfect blogs that will generate high profit. Again, you can get paid for creating blog posts. You just need to follow these 3 easy steps. First, you just need to pick a specific niche or traffic. Of course, make sure that you're interested and you like the niche that you're going to choose. Aside from that, you also need to consider the profitability of the topic. The next thing that you need to do is to activate the automated profit sites. Lastly, you need to monetize it so that you can earn from it. Bot is committed to monetizing your blog by increasing its traffic and commissions with human-driven technology. Well, it will create a blog for you that is relevant to your chosen niche. It will also drive traffic to your site. Hence, everything will be done without you exerting much effort. See, there are lots of internet applications that we can utilize to earn money. You just need to go and start searching for them. So, what are you waiting for? Start your own online money making journey now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.